Hello, you beautiful people. And James. Welcome back, guys. Today we bring you another new video. This is from Discord.
Yes.
Okay. And this is requested from our Discord. It is more Ateez with the Black Cat, NERO, the Halloween performance video. So obviously Halloween's coming up, so let's just get ready for it, innit? Halloween!
You know what? I didn't even think about that. This is actually a pretty good time to do a Halloween song. Now we're nearing fall. I'm James, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for checking out multiple videos. This is some more Discord requests from Darson.
Oh, thank you,
Darson.
Thank you, Darson.
Thank you for the suggestion. We do, hey, we're really enjoying Ateez, so I'm looking forward to Black Cat.
Tease me, baby.
With that being said, I am Gio, and if you enjoy, with that being said, I am Gio, and if you enjoyed this reaction, you can smash that subscribe button, followed by that thumbs up. You can stay tuned to everything we react to with that bell notification, so make sure it's turned on. If you want access to the exclusive videos, the early access videos, and the videos that YouTube is blocking, that link to the description.
Oh, it happens sometimes.
It does happen. The link to the Patreon is in the description below.
Yeah, you gotta find it. Let's go ahead and check out Ateez, the Black Cat, NERO. Here it goes.
Logo.
No.
When I was petrified. Subtitles. Fuck.
Yo, yes, yo, Turbo, Ateez, nothing out here. 모두 손머리 위, yeah, 자 손머리 위로, 모두 다 같이, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I'm ready to go.
It's Halloween.
아찌야 너랑 나랑 결혼할래? 내 사박이 고도마가 내게 청혼했어. 정말로 나는 너무너무 우스웠어. 넌 어려서 안 돼. 했더니만 쓸스럽게도 내 팔에 매달려서 우는 거야. 그래서 나는 섹스필 매달려서 주사단하게 어디 도장. 그대는 귀여운 나의 검은 고양이 새빨간 리본이 멋지게 어울려. 그러나 어쩌다 돌아져 버리면 얄밉게 얄쥐어서 마음 상해요. 검은 고양이 네로.
What I was going to say, man, it's like literally already, it's like two different complete genres of music of we've listened to.
Bro.
Like it's insane how, and they just transition it so like you don't even really notice it until you notice it, if you know what I mean.
It sounds like we listened to two songs in one song.
Well, I think it's going to be about 6 towards the end. It is Ateez, man.
It is Ateez.
Don't let them do that.
They put everything in one song. It's like, just have everything.
We're going to make the best song every time.
Every time.
Yes,
production,
every genre.
dancing, vocals, everything.
Yeah, like, dude, that dancing when they had the coat on, I had no idea what they did. I even looked at it and I was like, what the did he just do?
He was walking into a bro.
Yes.
That was crazy, bro. Whew.
A little bit harder.
The head.
Yeah.
It looked like a Michael Jackson thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, man.
I like this.
Ooh. Third song. Crumping, a little bit of crump action.
한숨을 쉬면 그늘 아침 하면서 화내는 사선 같은 꼬마 아침 내가 전부 하게 나름이야 하면서 알게 떠는 여 같은 꼬마 내부터 글쎄 유치원 나겠다며 널 오겠다면 날 치고 흉내내는 것만 너무 귀여워서 답답하답다 안아주고 팍 멋쟁이 그대가 사뿐히 걸어가면 무서운 고양이 뒤따라와요 달콤한 꽃님의 손에서 간다면 후회를 한다 해도 나는 몰라요 검은 고양이 네로 네로 네로
I need metal. Okay.
I like how hard they do it. Yes.
Everything 100%, man.
Let me hear the voice hit him up to your tinny. Put him up, your hands, do you ready? Are you guys ready? Sing it now. It's time to sing it together. Say 1, 2, let's go.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, do it, the Michael Jackson, bro. Do it.
검은 고양이 네로 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 귀여운 나의 친구는 검은 고양이 네로 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 이랬다 저랬다 장난꾸러기
Come on.
Oh, go higher, higher.
There it is. There it is. What? Huh?
Meow.
They turned into cats.
They was cats the entire time.
Oh. Ooh. Thumbnail. You already know I'm gonna grab that bad boy.
Thumbnail.
I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna grab the cats, the black cats.
Oh, dude, like,
When you told him to go higigher, bro, he listened to you.
I know it was crazy. I didn't think he was.
I couldn't help but like giggle like a schoolgirl, dog. Like the way they change and add everything you want them to add in their song, they do it right when you I'm like, man, they gotta slow this bad boy down, and they slowed it down. Man, we need a crump hip hop section. They gave it to us. Man, you know what? I want some metal headbanging moments. They gave it to us. I want some high vocals. They gave it to us. I got goosebumps on my kneecaps.
Yeah,
My
dude,
kneecap
like-
fell off.
Man, no, but this is like just another one of a group from obviously over there. That's just every time they're about to have a song, you know it's going to be a banger now. Like we haven't had one where it's just been like, yeah, it was good. It was like, no, it's amazing. Like
Say it again, Bulldog.
they're so good. They are literally up there now with me, with BTS and EXO, with how good. Like I look forward to every single
Oh,
one.
no doubt. No doubt.
And
Well, you trying to
bump,
say
bump, bump.
SOT. SOT had 3 on top.
Mhm.
We got that Ateez, XO, and the BTS on here.
Yeah.
You know what?
So
like Bull said, like I enjoyed it from the start to the finish, and James said they changed so many times, and it was perfect changes at perfect timing. And they went back to my favorite part when they was doing that dance. I loved it. And they went back to it when I wanted them to come back to it. It was.
I think they did that dance so often, and it was such an easy, catchy dance. It was like,
Show me, James.
I mean, yeah, it was nice, like a Korean version of Thriller, if you will.
Yeah, in a sense. And the thing is, like all the little segments they have, it's like it's not too much or not too little. It is literally just spot on. So just like you said, as soon as they're gonna change, it's when it should change, and it's just another banger, man. Like damn. Hello, you beautiful patrons. Thank you for all your support so far and your continued support. It means so much to us, and the journey that we're all going to go on together is going to be amazing. Thank you again.
I would like to say thank you so much for joining our Patreon. It really means so much to us, and we really appreciate your continued support.
With y'all joining the Patreon, it allows us to continue doing what we enjoy doing, and I love each and every one of y'all for that. Thank you very much.